Hello, this is Danny Glass with Cool Air Mechanical. I want to talk about tankless water heaters a little bit. This is something that's been coming around in the United States since about the 1990s. It's been out in Europe and other places for decades and decades and decades. It's become very economical and feasible and practical to use nowadays. One of the things we have with our houses in Atlanta is that they're getting bigger and bigger and more floors and more floors, but still we put our tank water heaters down at the basement. And the most common complaint that we see is that it takes so long for hot water to get to us. Well, a tankless water heater can take care of that for you. It has a recirculating system in it. Instead of waiting there at the kitchen sink or at your bath for a long period of time, wasting a lot of water, the circulating system that is built into the tankless can have that hot water to you very, very, very rapidly. It's very energy efficient. A regular tank type water heater is only about 60% efficient, and that means that out of every dollar that you spend on fuel, 40 cents is just being wasted. This is up to 96% efficient, so it's very, very economical to use. This also has a Wi-Fi capability, so you can use your cell phone to actually turn up and down the temperature. I know we have grandkids, and the last thing we want is when the kids are in the tub is accidentally hit the hot water and get scalded, right? If we have it turned up all the way. My wife loves hot showers. I don't. I like my temperature about 110. So I have my thermostat, I set that temperature, from my iPhone at 110, and I have the perfect hot water. I can turn my hot water on and never touch the cold water, right? So my wife does the same thing. She likes 120-degree water. It's scalding hot, but that's what she likes, and so she can tap on her Wi-Fi and get it to her temperature without ever having to go to where the water heater is actually located. By the way, mine is not in the house. I have mine outside. So yes, these can be mounted outside or can be mounted inside. Depends on your house and if you need to conserve space. As you see, they're only about the size of a suitcase, so they take up very, very little room. So those areas that have little small storage room, you got it's full of heating and air equipment, you got your filter systems in there and so forth, and it consumes the storage space, these will really help you out as far as not overcrowding a storage room or either adding more square footage wherever you may be, because that's what it's about, more square footage these days on houses, right? Thank you very much and have a great day.